Hey guys, it's Mike again. In this video, we're going to install the belly pan on the FJ-09. Just got it in the mail, about to unbox it, see what we think, and then we'll install it. Now, in the picture on the web, I did buy this off eBay. It looked really nice. It had like a satin finish to it, and I think in the pictures this grill was this mesh was actually blue, but they said that no, that's just a prototype in the pictures, and it's going to be silver. And then it also looked like plastic in the pictures, but I'm going to take it out of the bag. This is just one side, of course. And this is the Powerbronze USA warehouse. So I don't know if that means it's made in USA or somewhere else, but looking at it initially, I can't tell what this is. I think it might be plastic, or maybe it's fiberglass, or some kind of mixture. It doesn't feel cheap. The inner side feels pretty smooth, sturdy. The mesh seems like it's pretty secure. The nice thing, I think, is they have this protective to peel it off. That's why it looks kind of funny on the camera. The inside's like nice and shiny. So they said you can paint this if you want, but it's supposed to be, you'll just kind of throw it on there out of the box. So anyway, that's one side. And then the other side. It's like a very sturdy bag. It's kind of weird how one bag's kind of not. Oh, it's sealed, that's why. They not vacuum sealed it, but he sealed it. I guess I won't take that out with one hand. But there's the other side. It says matte black silver mesh, and this fits the MT-09 tracer, or the FJ-09. So when I was telling you they're on the same bike, they just have the ones in Europe or wherever else, the ones here. And then there's the FZ, which is also the same bike. It just has, it's more of a naked bike. It has no fairing. It's more sporty, I guess you could say. Now this is the hardware. So let's just see what's So from the description we see that there's a center bracket, this is metal, which I believe goes in front of the engine, like so. And then one side goes that way and one side covers the bottom. And then here's the hardware. And what I like in what I'm seeing is good descriptions on the parts, extra pictures, English. Doesn't seem like it's a weird translation from English, from another different language to English. It even comes with really cool stickers and pictures of how to install it. So, alright, spare you the details of opening everything, and next step is we'll put this thing on the bike. Okay, so basically, the instructions, reading them, are not what you would say step 1, 2, 3, 4. It's basically just circling some stuff where you're supposed to put brackets. Very minimal instructions. So at first glance I thought it was pretty cool, but then looking at them, it's not. But it is still nice that there's pictures versus them just kind of verbally telling us what's going on, or with words. So from what I can tell reading this, is we need to put the belly pan together first, and then similar to any other kit, or like, you know, when you take your fairings off and things like that, you basically just undo them. So the key thing here, I think, is just putting all these brackets on the bike, on the frame itself. They're saying that you just take these supplied brackets, and then you use the existing hardware that's already on the bike. So you have to take that off, and then you just put these on, and then redo the tighten the hardware that comes with it. There is some hardware they gave us, which I'm trying to figure out where that goes, because we're also at the same time saying to to use existing hardware, so that's kind of strange. Okay, so looking at really what hardware there is, it's not that difficult. We have a flat screwdriver. They're using the nylon screws. This is the same stuff I took out of the windshield. They must have got these right out of the Yamaha parts bin. I don't know. But there's that. And then they have some hex, and they have some 10mm nuts, and there's these things, spacers. So really all you need is a 10mm, your sockets, or not sockets, your Allen wrenches. This is mainly going to be to take back the existing fittings out of the bike. And of course there are some hex bolts here too. So that's basically it. So I'm going to assemble the belly pan, and then I guess I'll move on to the bike and put all the brackets and stuff on. So I guess it's something like this, where I can tell. And then this metal spacer kind of joins the two sides together. Belly pan. Okay, so it mounts like this, I believe. So it looks like that, like. So then the next step is to put all the brackets on the bike. Okay, so on this side of the bike, there's really only two attaching points, here and here. So I left them kind of loose, well, so that we can make, basically align it. So see how this kind of lines up here. So this is kind of where it's going to look like it's going. It's going to bend a little bit when we attach it. I think it's going to straighten out these edges and things like that. Alright, so now I need to go on the other side of the bike and install the remaining brackets, and then we can pretty much tighten this down. Well, we've got it all worked out. It's installed. As you can see, big difference overall. to what the bike did look like. Very hard to kind of see all the lines and everything here because of being in this little garage next to the car. But I mean, overall, the hardware's a little sketch, like using the plastic nylon. I'm sure they had their reasons, but the alignment of it was very difficult. Trying to essentially take the brackets behind here and then getting that kind of aligned right, taking this off and then keep that in place and tightening it, and then tightening this. It wasn't easy. It was kind of a pain in the ass. So if you're going to do it, use patience. Make sure you pull off all the plastic before you put your grommets in, or else you'll have like that. So I had to go back over here and rip those out. But overall, I mean, for the kit and the price, I mean, you can't really go wrong. I mean, I was looking for more of a nicer, more of a sportier look to the bike, which I think the belly pan will bring. But it's a good. It's not OEM quality, of course, but it is good quality. Let's put it that way. Maybe if they could work out the brackets a little better, maybe build the brackets into the belly pan itself, so that way you have good placement. But overall, I think if you're wanting to improve the look of your MT or FJ-09, and this might even fit the FZ as well, not 100% sure, but I think it might. Anyway, give it a shot, and I think you'll be somewhat pleased with it. But like I said, have some patience putting it all together, because it's gonna drive a little crazy for a second, but once you kind of get the alignment worked out, then it's pretty much tighten, and there you go. So I'll leave you with that, and I'll put a little video at the end of this outro, when it's outside in daylight, and you can kind of see the full profile of it and see what you think about it. Well, that is the belly pan of the FJ-09. Hope you enjoyed watching. My name is Mike. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.